So, just on a quick trip down to Screwfix, and I thought I'd test the chest harness out. And also the microphone. It's very windy today, so we'll see how it goes. I came down here yesterday with the handheld cam and it was pretty shaky, so let's see how it is. I'm going to do another lap of the new track. That's not bad at all. You can see the extending it there to the exit of the park. God forbid a cyclist go a bit too fast. Funny they started installing those on roads for cars. Okay, so back onto the shared path. It's not the worst, it's not the best. This one on the other side of the road is actually better, but you only have to cross back over again and not really worth it. The old mill on the left, just past there, it's got the local bike restoration charity. They do all sorts of stuff there. I'll stick a link to them down in the description. They always have some quite nice bikes for sale, reasonable prices. that junction supposed to be a toucan. Did all the work for it, hence the little cut through I came through, and didn't actually fit it. So I'm in discussion with the council about that. But I tend to use it as a toucan anyway, as do a lot of cyclists, because it's there.